Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do what to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, follow our Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. Now, take a look at this gold. I did this analysis for you guys yesterday, and I thought that gold will definitely going to give us a bullish move. Reason why I said we will be expecting that bullish move is because this level here is our support level, right? Now, the reason why we highlighted this as our support level is that we need to zoom it out to understand the full trend. Now, let's go to the daily time frame. We can see that this is a trend to the upside. Market is trending upward. Now, this is it here. For quick analysis, we will start from here. So, if this is our high, here's our higher low. This is also our higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Markets eventually give us a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now this here is our market should be pushing on till it form a new higher high. So basically for swing traders, this is the best time and best opportunity to open or your buy on gold, as gold is still definitely going to give us a bullish move. That the bullish move would be giving us, we'll be expecting about 800 pips movement to the upside. That is what we will be anticipating for on gold, right? Now, if you go to the forward time frame, there are multiple rejection zone here. You can see that this is our first rejection zone. This is also our second rejection zone. Market came, it did not tap it properly, it pushed up before it eventually came to tap it properly. And now we are having our another rejection zone, which is our third rejection zone. So we will be expecting market to actually push up again. So our next target for the day will be 114238. So this is our next target on gold, 4238. Now, could there be any changes to this moment? Absolutely yes. Yes, there could be any changes. But if there is any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So just stay updated. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments, guys.